Question number 16. We want to find the remainder, so we'll start. This is going to be 3, and this is going to be 3x cubed divided by x square. 3x cubed by x is 3x square, and this is going to be 3x cubed, 3 times 3, 9, plus times minus 9, x square will minus this one. This is going to be 5 minus 5x square minus 47x. Now 1 minus 5 divided by 1 minus 5. X square divided by x is x. So I am 5x square divided by x. So minus 5 divided by 1 minus 5 x square divided by x. So this is 5x. Then this is going to be minus 5x times x minus 5x square. 5 times 3, 15, and minus times minus plus 15x. So we have to minus those two now. This is going to be 62x, and bring minus 14 down now. I need a minus 62. So minus 62x plus 186. So I want to minus this one, and this is going to be minus 200. Now you can see that remainder is 200. So we can write 3x cubed minus 14x square minus 47x minus 14 equal x minus 3. This is the divisor, quotient minus 5x minus 62, and remainder is minus 200. Part B, we have to factorize this one completely. The same thing. So this is 3x square, then this is going to be 3x cubed, and this is 3 times 2, 6x square, and plus, and we want to minus those two. So this is going to be minus 20x square. Bring 47x down now to continue. This is definitely going to be minus 20 and x. Now minus 20 x square, 20 times 2, 40, minus times plus minus x, and you have to minus this one. So this is going to be minus 7x, and bring minus 40 down now, and this is going to be minus 7, minus 7x minus 40, and remainder is 0. Hence x plus 2 is now we can write fx means this one is x plus 2 times, this is the divisor, this is the quotient, minus plus 0. We don't need that remainder 0. Now we want to completely factorize completely. It means we should be able to factorize this one. Now when you multiply two numbers, you want to get minus 21, and when you add those two numbers, you want to get minus 20. So now 21 you have to break 2, now 3, 7, and that's all. So the factors 1, 3, 7, 21. So only the matching one is when you multiply, you want to get 21, and it has to be negative. So basically this will work minus big value has to be negative in that case. Minus 21 plus and a 1. So minus 21 times 1, this one, minus 21 plus 1, minus 22x. Now 3x square minus 21x plus x minus 7. I break this one into 2. Then 3x is common, x minus 7 and plus 1 is common, x minus 7 is common. From both, I'll take x minus out, 3x plus 1. So x minus 7 times 3x plus 1. So x minus 7 times 3x plus 1. Fully factorize. Question number 17a. We have to divide this one by, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, in the order x square. So I wrote this one very badly because it is very congested. I have to keep a good space, so I'll try to work still. So this is x cube, and this is going to be minus 2x square. And when you minus, you will get 8x square. And let's bring this one down, 5x. Then this is going to be 8x, 8x times 8x square, 8 times 2 is 16 and negative x. And we have to minus those two. When we minus 5 minus 16, this is cancel out. 5 plus 16, 21. 21x minus, we'll bring this 12 down now. Then plus 21, 21x 20. 42. 21 times 2 and plus times minus minus. And when you minus those two, you will get 30. Hence, there is a remainder. Hence, x minus 2 is not a factor. So we can write this one. And if I take this one fx, yes, fx equal x minus 2 divisor, quotient is x square plus 8 plus 21, and remainder is plus 30. Part B. Or 2. So I need to divide this one by x plus 3. So this is going to be x square times x cube, and this is 3x square. When you minus these two, this is going to be 6 minus 3, 3x square, and I'll bring this 5x down. And how many x goes into 3x square? Plus 3x. So 3x times 3x square. 3 times 3, 9, and plus x minus this one. Then this is going to be minus 4x minus 12. And x has to be, then this is minus 4. I want to make minus 4x minus 12. And this is 0. So remainder is 0. Hence, x plus 3 is a factor of fx. Now you can write fx equal, this is the fx, x plus 3 times divisor, quotient, and no remainder. So this is, we factorize this one. Now part. Now the next part is we want to factorize this one. Then we know that x plus 3, we can write this one in terms of x plus 3 like this, and the quotient, because we already factorized to a one step ahead. So I can write this one x plus times x square plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Then this is you can find the, no, the normal factorization x plus 4 x minus 1 equal 0. Then x plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 4 equal 0, or x minus 1 equal 0. Then x equal minus 3, or x equal minus 4, or x equal 1. Now this is the sum is given. I'll keep this one. Okay, I will can remember this. I'll take this one fx. Now I will tell that sketch the graph. Then sketch the graph. One thing you want to find the roots. How do you find the roots? You want to make fx equal 0. Then you are writing this one equals 0. Now you have to factorize this one to find the roots. Then I will tell you have to find, there's a way to find which one is a factor, x plus 3 or x plus 2. There's a way we'll discuss in the next session with the factor theorem when we work. Okay, I will give x plus 3 is a factor. Then you have to divide this one by one. We will come to this stage. Then x plus 3 times x plus 4, x minus 1 equals 0, x equal minus 3, or x equal minus 4, or x equal 1. Then you want to find the those are the roots. So minus 3 minus 4, 1. Now from 1, what is the y value for this one? If minus 3 is, I'll find f1. It is easy. f1, 1 cube plus 6 plus 5 minus 12, which is 7 plus 5, 12. 12 minus, actually y value has to be 0 because that's what we are doing. So those are the roots. You don't need to find it again. So this is a use of this one. Question number 18, part A. So this is the equation, and we want to find ax square plus bx plus c. So what we need to do, we have to bring this one down. 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 1. And the answer has to be what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, we'll divide this one and we'll, so 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3, hopefully the place is enough. This is going to be 2x minus 1, then this is 2x square, this is 2x cubed, and this is going to be sorry, and this is wrong. It can't be 2 because how many 2x goes to 2x cube? X square. So this has become 2x square and this has become minus x square. We want to minus this one. This has become 4x square. 3 minus minus 1, 4. Bring this one down, 8x. Now, how many 2x goes into 4x square? It's going to be 2x. 2x times 2x, 4x square. And this is going to be minus 2x. So this is going to be minus 6x. Bring this plus 3 down now. Then this has to be how many 2x goes into minus 6x? Minus 3. So this is going to be minus 6x plus 3. So this is going to be 0. I put the brackets. Now you have to match this one. 2x minus 1. So this is going to be the, when you divide, this is the divisor and this is going to be the quotient. Now we have the quotient in our hand now, x square plus 2x minus 3. Now what is the a value? A is 1, b is 2 and plus c is minus 3. There's another method to find a, b, c. I will just show you that equating the coefficient. For that one, I have to simplify this side. So 2x times ax square plus bx plus c and minus 1 times ax square plus bx plus c. I'm going to expand from this one. Then this is going to be 2ax cube. This is going to be 2bx square. And this is going to be 2cx. Then minus ax square minus bx minus c. I expanding. Then I'll bring I will adjust according to the x cube, x square, x and constant. So there is no x cube terms, that's all. Now I can see x square terms 2. Then that is 2b and minus a. I will take x square out. If confusing, just write together first. 2b x square, then minus a x square, then x terms 2cx bx minus c. Then this is as it is. Now this is when you take x square out, this is going to remain 2b minus a x square. When you factorize from those two, 2c minus b x minus c. Now I'll rewrite here 2x cube 3x square minus 8x plus 3. Now if this expression and this expression should be equal, then to happen that, so this part and this part has to be separately equal. It means 2x cube and 2ax cube should be equal. Then 3x square and should be equal to 2b minus ax square. And minus 8x has to be equal to 2c minus b x. And the last one, um, 3 has to be equal to minus c. Now you can see that 2a is 2, 2a equal 2. It means a equal 1. You can see that this 3 value x square when cancel out, this is 2b minus e. 2b means 3 plus e. Now you know a value is 1, so 3 plus a, 2b. 4 equal 2b, b equal 2. 4 equal 2b, then 4 equal 2b, 3 plus 4, then b equal 2. From here, x to x cancel out, minus 8 equal 2c minus b. Now we know c value is minus 3. We found out a and b and c. That's all we need. We don't need this one. So we'll simply do this one by telling equating the coefficient of x cube. This is 2, this is 2a, a equal 1. Equating the coefficient of x square. This is 3 and this is 2b minus a. Then we work out b equal 2. And the best one is, the good one is this one. Equating the x0 or constant, both you can use. Minus plus 3 is minus c, c equal minus 3. Part B, hence factorize completely. Now we know that 2x minus 1, a is 1x square, b equal 2x, and c is minus 3. So we can simply factorize this one now. 2x minus 1, x square plus 2x minus 3. This is going to be x minus 1 and x plus 3. See, now we want to find the roots. Roots of fx. To find the root, we want to make fx equal 0. Fx equal 0 means 2x cube 3x square minus 8x plus 3 equals 0. Now we factorize this. 2x minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 3 equals 0. Then roots are x equal half, x equal 1, and x equal minus 3. So the roots are minus 3, 0, then half 0, then 1, 0. Question number 19, you can see that show that the 4x minus a factor of fx. Write fx. Okay, we can divide that one 4x minus 1 and we can write the answer. Hence show that the equation has exactly one real solution. Yes, it has exactly one real solution if. So now we know that x is going to 4x minus 1 equals 0. Then x equal 1 or 4. That is the only real solution. When you find ax square plus bx minus c, and when you find the quadrant, we can't factorize. The b square minus 4ac less than 0. So that's the plan of this sum now. We'll work on this. So this is 4x minus 1. And we'll start dividing. This is going to be, I want to make 12x cubed here. So then I want 4x multiplied by with 3 times 4, 12, and x square. So this is going to be 3x square times 4x, 12x cube, 3 times 1 minus 3x square, plus minus those two. This is going to be 8x square, and bring 2 down. Now I want to make 8x square, then 4 times 4x has to be multiplied by with 2x. So this is going to be 8x square minus 2x. Now this is going to be, when you minus those 2 minus 2 plus 2, which is 4x, and bring this one down. Now definitely this is 4x minus divided by 4x minus is 1. So this is 1. 4x minus and 0. Hence, yes, 4x minus is a factor. That's how we can write. Now we can write fx equal 4x minus 1, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now question B give a hint that we want to show that there are only real solutions. So when we find the roots fx equals 0, we'll write 4x minus 1, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equals 0, and 4x minus 1 equals 0, or 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. But we can't factorize this one because we have already have one solution, 1 over, let me write again. Now we have already one solution, x equal 1 over 4, and this one has to be, there should be no roots for this one. So we can check a equal 3, b equal 2, c equal 1, b square minus 4ac. B square means 3 square minus 4 times 2 times 1. I did the wrong calculation. B square is 2 square minus 4a is 3. So this is 4 minus 8, 4 minus 12, which is minus 8 less than 0. Hence, there are no real solution for 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal 0. Hence, for expressions, or hence fx has only one real solution, which is x equal 1 over